everyone. In this video, we will gonna see about how to make a user to a pseudo user. I have a user called as Rohit. Yeah, this is the information about Rohit. Now I will switch to it. It will switched. Now, if I run any command sudo lvs asking for password, it is not gonna give the result of lvs command. LVS is a command that is been run by the sudo user or the root user. So now make the Rohit user to the sudo user. So the are there are two types of two ways to do a user to a sudo user. First is by writing in the file vs sudo. First we will have to move from root, take the login of root, or just exit from here vs sudo. Now in the file, I want to all, and yeah, so this is the line we what we have to change. Here I have to make Rohit and the same as it is the upper one, and saving this file. Now again switching to the Rohit user with space. Now let's see it runs this command or not. Sudo lvs asking for password. Yes, see now it is running the sudo command, yeah, with lvs command that has been run by the sudo user or the root user. Now it confirms that the Rohit is now a sudo user. Now the another way, instead of writing that, is we just take the root login now, exit, gone root login. Then there is a normal way like user mod hyphen small a capital G to append a group. Now the group name is will. Will is the pseudo group, means if any user inside this group, then it will uh, then it will directly run this pseudo commands like sudo user mod hyphen ag, the user group name along with the username. Right. Okay, so wh single l enter. So if I do Rohit, yeah, see now the Rohit user is present inside the will group too. Now if I comment that line, see here, I wanna comment that I have earlier written, saving this file. Now as I add the root will group uh, for the user Rohit, so now let's check it will execute that command or not. Okay, first I have to take login of Rohit. Sudo, then sudo lvs. Yes, say now as it is logging into the will, added into the will group, it is now runs the root command too, means the command that has been run by the root or sudo users. Okay, so that's all. We have seen here two ways of adding a user to make it the sudo user. Now Please share this. This is the end. Now please share the video